Welcome to another Kaler Automation Project Showcase. In this edition, we're highlighting our solution at Crystal Valley Co-op in Jackson, Minnesota. Crystal Valley was looking to modernize their 2-bay liquid fertilizer facility. The prior outdated system did not sync with nor offer the features of the other buildings that were running Kaler Automation software. They wanted to streamline the workflow process within all their buildings to make it easy for staff to learn and operate within different areas. The previous automation system was upgraded with Kaler's pre-programmed touchscreen panel for ease of use. The system integrated with existing system components such as plumbing, meters, weigh tank, and solenoid panels. The latest automation control software was installed in the liquid, dry, and chemical buildings to allow the site to be interconnected. Here is what Jesse Malchow, Regional Operations Manager with Crystal Valley, had to say. Labor shortages are huge, and we've been able to shift help from location to location and fill in when needed, and it's all streamlined. The whole division is under Kaler, so they can basically pick up where they left off, no matter what location they are working out of. It's very nice that way. From design, startup, and support, we're your trusted automation experts. When your process needs control, we are Kaler Automation. Learn more at kalerautomation.com today.